In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix "We can't verify your subscription statuses for guide." That error usually appears when a service you've subscribed to like Spotify, YouTube Premium, Microsoft 365, or game platforms fails to check your account's active subscription. Currently, the causes are usually temporary server hiccups, outdated app versions, cached login data, or billing issues. Fixing it means refreshing your account connection and ensuring the subscription is properly linked. The first step is to check whether the subscription is actually active. Log into the service's website, not just the app, and verify that your plan shows as paid and current. If your payment recently failed, update your card, PayPal, or mobile billing info and retry. Sometimes the app still shows the error until the next billing confirmation, so forcing a manual refresh helps. Once you've confirmed your subscription is valid, update the app or desktop client to the latest version. Many users see this error because older builds can't sync correctly with the 2025 subscription servers. After updating, sign out of your account completely on all devices, then sign back in. Clearing cache and local data on mobile, this can be done through your phone settings, is especially effective since stale tokens often trigger the error. If you're on iPhone or Android and subscribed through the App Store or Google Play, open your store app, head to subscriptions, and make sure your plan is listed as active. Occasionally, the app itself fails to recognize third-party billing until you restore purchases. On iOS, you can tab Restore Purchases in the app settings if available. On Android, removing and re-adding your Google account can reset the Play Store license check. For PC or Mac, if the error shows up in a desktop client, reinstalling the app often forces a fresh license pull. With Microsoft services, running the built-in account troubleshooter or repairing Office through apps and features has worked for many. For gaming platforms like Xbox Game Pass or PlayStation Plus, ensuring your console is set as the primary device is important because license checks fail on secondary devices without internet. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.